Clamping washers are used by many manufacturers to secure underbody heat shields, sound deadening panels and covers. They are lightweight, spring steel washers that simply push onto a coarsely threaded pin. But being under the car, they quickly become corroded, and this can make them difficult to remove without bending or breaking them, or even bending the pin. And a broken clamping washer has very sharp edges. The answer is this clamping washer tool, which is designed to fit the 32mm diameter washers as fitted to VAG and Ford vehicles. Two steel pins engage with the washer and allow a cordless drill or any 1/4-inch drive wrench to be used to spin the washer quickly, winding it off the pin. An easy job with the right tool and no cut fingers. It becomes a quick job to remove a clamping washer and just as quick to either replace the washer or fit a new one. You'll wonder how you did without it. A professional tool for the professional workshop, and available now from your Laser Tools stockist.